Next is power plant based on nuclear energy. So observe this. So nuclear reactor for nuclear fission. So nuclear fission is a reaction in which energy is produced. Then system for steam generation from water. Then steam is used to produce electricity by rotating the turbines. So basically instead of coal we are using nuclear fuel for producing electricity. So in power plant based on nuclear energy, steam turbines are used. So first of all, we take uranium atoms which are very heavy and which can undergo fission reaction. Now fission reaction means what? Uranium converts into smaller particles. It decomposes or it breaks down into smaller particles of another element, and then a lot of energy is released which is called as nuclear energy, and this energy is used to produce steam by boiling water, and this steam which is at higher pressure is used to rotate the turbines which produces electricity. So here you can see, again you can see uranium and plutonium that are used as a fuel. In nuclear fission reaction happens which will produce a lot of heat energy which is used to make steam and then rotate the turbines producing electricity. So nuclear energy is converted to thermal energy. Thermal energy is converted to kinetic energy, which is there in steam, which rotates the turbines and produce electricity. Now when neutron is bombarded on uranium 235, now uranium 235 is an isotope. युरेनियम 235 जो आहे तो एक आयसोटोप आहे युरेनियमचा, जमिनीत सापडतो. सो इट इज फाउंड इन द अर्थ्स क्रस्ट अँड देन इट ॲब्झॉर्ब्स अ न्यूट्रॉन and it converts into uranium 236. It is highly unstable, as I told you. It breaks down into pieces, smaller atoms, that is barium krypton, and producing large amount of energy, 200 million electron volt. Now in this process 3 more neutrons are produced. These 3 neutrons, they continue the reaction and the same reactions happen many times and lot of energy is released. Here you can see in the diagram, one neutron goes into uranium, breaks down into smaller parts, barium, krypton, and then 3 more neutrons are produced. A chain reaction is produced. So neutrons release in this, they go and collide with more uranium nuclei and chain reaction is produced which has to be controlled. If it is not controlled, it is nothing but the nuclear bomb, the principle of nuclear bomb, where uncontrolled chain reaction is there. ही जी रिॲक्शन आहे याला कंट्रोल करणं गरजेचं आहे. जर केलं नाही तर मग हेच बॉम्बचं प्रिन्सिपल आहे, अनकंट्रोल्ड चेन रिॲक्शन. याच्यामधनं जी एनर्जी निघते ती खूप जास्त आहे. ट्रेमेंडस अमाऊंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज रिलीज फ्रॉम दिस. नाउ यू कॅन सी कंट्रोल रॉड्स, दे कंट्रोल द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स अँड देअर बाय कंट्रोल द रिॲक्शन. कंट्रोल रॉड काय करतात, न्यूट्रॉन ॲब्झॉर्ब करून घेतात आणि रिॲक्शनची स्पीड कमी करतात. देन न्यूक्लियर रिॲक्टर इज देअर, पंप इज देअर, इच is used to take the steam from boiler to the turbine, and then again it is condensed, cooled and recirculated back. So nuclear power does not use fossil fuel, so there is no problem of pollution, but there is a new problem, that is of radiations. So it's a very efficient and good way of making electricity, but problems, let us discuss the problems now. हो, खूप छान आहे, एफिशियंट आहे. एकदा तुम्ही युरेनियम भरलं की 10-20 वर्ष तुम्हाला काही बघायची गरज नाही आहे. फॉर 10 to 20 years you are having no problem at all. But after that again you have to remove the fission material and you have to dispose it somewhere, the waste material. Okay, so disposing safely is a very big problem. So where to put this waste? Because this waste produces a lot of radiations and this radiation can cause cancer. It can be fatal. Accidents can happen, as this is very dangerous, very powerful source of energy. If there is some problem, if there is some negligence, if there is some natural calamity, the nuclear power plants are very dangerous. They can cause a lot of harm by releasing harmful radiations. समजा अर्थक्वेक आला, फ्लड्स आले, तर न्यूक्लियर पॉवर प्लांटमध्ये जर काही गेलं तर काय होतं, रेडिएशन्स बाहेर पडतात आणि ते फार हार्मफुल आहे. So power generation based on natural gas. Next is natural gas. So again the principle is that you take the compressed air, natural gas, burn it and you get more pressure. Once you get that pressure, you use it for rotating turbines in generator. Okay, gas turbines are there. and then you produce electricity. So various stages are shown in the flowchart. It's very evident. बघून कळतंय तुम्हाला. There are three main sections: pressurized air produced in combustion chamber. Combustion chamber of the natural gas burns in presence of air. The gas is at very high temperature and pressure generated in the chamber that runs the turbines. So here transformation is there. Chemical energy is converted to kinetic energy, which is converted to electricity. So efficiency of this is higher than the thermal power stations that is based on coal, but it does not give out poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide or other gases. But carbon dioxide is given out, that is acceptable. As compared to these poisonous gases, it is acceptable. Here is a schematic diagram. You can see the fuel coming inside combustion chamber. Combustion chamber burns the gas, produces high pressure, and then gas turbines are rotated, which produces electricity. So this diagram can come. You have to label the diagram, remember the diagram. Here there are some places where gas turbines are present, and Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Delhi, Andhra, like that. Now, electricity generation and environment. Of course, electricity generation is very important for us, but what about conservation of environment? What about the pollution that is created? That is a very big problem that we have to address. Electricity generation based on fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, nuclear fuel like uranium and all, they are not eco-friendly. They are going to cause pollution in some way. So we have seen that burning coal vagare produces air pollution. Poisonous gases are given out. Carbon monoxide is a very dangerous gas. It goes in our blood and reduces our oxygen carrying capacity. Increase in percentage of carbon dioxide burning affects the environment, that is global warming. So temperature of the whole globe increases because of carbon dioxide. Then poisonous gases like nitrogen oxides, they cause problems. Okay, like acid rains. So they are given out from burning coal, diesel, petrol. So incomplete combustion of these fossil fuels also can cause small particles, which are smoke particles, and these go into respiratory system and cause disease like asthma. So it took a very long time for these fossil fuels to form, and they are limited. One day will come when these fossil fuels will be over. So people say that it will be something like 200 years in the future or 300 years, but after that we'll not have fossil fuels. So it is very important for us to find different ways of producing electricity other than fossil fuels. एक कोल वगैरे कधी ना कधीतरी संपणार आहे. 200-300 वर्षानंतर संपल्यानंतर तुम्ही काय करणार? तर त्यासाठी दुसरे मेथड्स आहेत का ते बघायला पाहिजे. We also have discussed about problems of nuclear energy. So where to dispose the waste? That is a problem. So here they have given, you can see towards environment friendly energy, that is called as green energy. On the right side it is given. So there are other ways also to produce electricity. For example, sunlight, biofuels, and these are eco-friendly. For example, water reservoirs can be used to produce electricity. Wind energy, sunlight, biofuel, they are never ending, perpetual. Sunlight is not going to get over. It is going to get over only after 5 billion years. So very long time we have sunlight. Wind energy is there, available to us. Every year it is available. Biofuels, you can grow biofuels. That means from the certain plants. From certain plants, what you do is you extract oil and you mix it with the diesel petrol, and that is used as a biofuel. So from plants you can grow again and again, no problem. Electricity generation to these sources which are environment friendly, that is nothing but the green energy. So looking at these problems, electricity generation, coal, natural gas, nuclear fuel, the world is now heading towards environment friendly green energy. Okay.